In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages in Slack. We'll walk through the simplest, most reliable way to remove a message you've sent in a direct message conversation. Before we begin, a quick note. You can only delete messages you've sent yourself, and your workspace may have rules that limit deletions. If you don't see the option to delete, that's usually why. Start by opening a web browser and going to app.slack.com. Sign into your workspace if you're not already logged in. The steps I'll show work the same in Slack's desktop app, but using the web makes it easy to follow along. Once Slack loads, you'll see the familiar layout with the sidebar on the left. In the left sidebar, click on DMs. This section lists your direct message conversations, including one-on-one chats and small group DMs. Deleting a message here removes it for everyone in that specific DM, so choose the conversation where the message you want to remove was sent. Click to open the conversation you want. Give it a moment to load if it's a long thread, then scroll to the exact message you intend to delete. It's a good practice to double check you're selecting the right message, especially if there are similar ones close together. Now, hover your mouse over that message. When you hover, a small toolbar appears to the right of the message. Click the three dots, sometimes labeled More Actions. If you don't see the dots at first, move your cursor slightly over the message text or its timestamp and they should appear. This menu is where Slack puts actions like edit, copy link, and delete. From the menu, click Delete Message. Slack will usually ask you to confirm so you don't remove anything by accident. Read the prompt, then confirm the deletion. The message will disappear from the conversation for everyone who can view that DM. In some workspaces, a small note may indicate that a message was deleted. That behavior depends on admin settings. If the delete option isn't available, your organization may have disabled message deletions or restricted them after a certain time. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you need to locate a specific message before deleting, use the search bar. To jump to it, then hover and delete as shown. If you only need to fix a typo instead of removing the message entirely, the edit option in the same menu can be a safer choice. And that's it. You've learned how to delete a message in Slack by navigating to DMs, opening the conversation, hovering over the message, and choosing delete from the three-dot menu.